Each and every one of us is unique, with individual goals and preferences, and our daily health and nutrition needs are no exception. At Herbalife Nutrition, we offer more than 2,000 high-quality and convenient nutrition products designed to complement your lifestyle. Our flagship Formula One meal replacement shakes contain protein, fiber, antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. You can enjoy your shake by mixing it with milk, water, or a dairy-free alternative, or by adding your favorite fruits or vegetables. With a variety of delicious flavors and protein sources, there's an option for everyone. We offer products to help fuel your busy day, including refreshing low-calorie teas in a range of flavors, and high-protein coffee mixes that help boost energy with less sugar than your typical sweetened coffeehouse drinks. Our herbal aloe products help support healthy digestion, nutrient absorption, and hydration. Whether you're just starting to work out or training for your next marathon, our sports nutrition line is designed to fuel athletes of all kinds, 24 hours a day. We offer targeted nutritional supplements for immune health, heart health, brain health, digestive health, and more that help support healthy living and aging. Our high-quality hemp extract balm and serum are made with plant-based oils and ingredients and designed to support your well-deserved self-care. Our paraben and sulfate-free skincare products cleanse, moisturize, and beautify your skin, many with antioxidant vitamins and aloe. Our products, combined with proper nutrition and exercise, and support from trained independent Herbalife nutrition distributors, can help you live a healthier, more balanced life. When you choose Herbalife Nutrition to be a part of your daily routine, you can be confident that our products are based on science, made with the highest quality ingredients, and designed to meet your nutritional needs, inside and out.